Which home style do you prefer? Darker, elegant, moody, chic, sophisticated? Something that never goes out of style? Or bright, white, airy, light? Both of these homes are in Lansdowne, Edmonton, Alberta, in the Southwest community, a family-friendly neighborhood. Both were built by Canyon Springs master builder with over 35 years of experience, and they are stunning. So you're going to want to take this tour with me while I walk you through both of these homes, and you can let me know which color scheme you prefer, light and airy or dark and moody. Both of them have main floor dens, tons of natural light, tons of window spaces. The chef's kitchen is bright and airy and gigantic with large quartz countertops, tons of cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, gas range, and both of them have plenty of natural light coming from the south-facing backyard. These homes are situated backing on to greenbelt space and are only a half a block from a university farm, which is very unique. When you access the university farm, you can also walk right into the White Mud Ravine. Open riser stairs and modern, tasteful railing system. They both have tons of windows, and as you move on upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms up and 1 bedroom down. All bedrooms are spacious. The ceiling height is high, and there is upstairs laundry located conveniently right next to the 4-piece bathroom. Moving on through, you walk through a large walk-through closet. The carpet in the darker one is got a rich color. And you can make any space look more spacious and open and airy depending on what type of furniture you're going to choose. There is a huge primary bedroom with a spa-like ensuite, 5 pieces of course, a custom shower, and a soaker bathtub overlooking the green space outside. There is a double detached garage which can be heated for those cold winter days. The spa-like ensuite has a large windows, and as you move on downstairs, both basements are finished, have an additional bedroom, recreation space, place for a wet bar, and 9-foot high ceilings, making it bright and airy with full windows. Look no further but at these luxurious style homes built by Canyon Springs, ready for their first owner. Upstairs, they have 2,300 square feet of above living space. Add on the additional 1,000 square feet of basement, and you're looking at around 3,300 square feet of livable space. Look no further. For information on this property or for properties like this, click on my link below. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX.